Naomi here.
And we're making mushroom omelets.
And my egg, a bowl.
Time to crack the egg. Oopsies!
So, yes, I have my cracked egg in the bowl. Here's the eggshell. I'll be back in a second. I'll wash my hand. I'm back.
Dirty egg!
This is good. I'm gonna put mushroom in.
Careful, the pan is hot.
I'm gonna wait until it gets yellow and then I'll put the egg in. And guys, if you smell a good smell from the mushroom, then you're done. It smells good now, so let me put some egg in.
I love mushrooms with eggs. And I have it with toast and avocado too. It's really good and it's also my main breakfast. Looks delicious.
It's starting to come together now.
Oopsies! Got it.
It looks so good and tasty now. Put it on the plate. Done the egg. I got my toast. Finished. And time to have breakfast. Bye guys.